Hello, Sophia. Sophia, hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning. How's your morning today?
I'm good.
Okay, have you eaten your breakfast?
Yes,
Okay, where's your face? Can you please open your camera?
I found my camera's broken.
Oh, your camera is not working today. What
Yes,
happened?
I don't know.
Okay, have you taken a bath today?
Hmm.
Oh, that's great. So that you will become fresh all day, right?
Yes,
Yes. All right. So, uh, today we are going to talk about um our new lesson. Okay. So, by the way, did I give you some homework?
yes,
Oh, and then did you answer that one? Sophia?
yes.
Okay, I will check that one. You will going to send your assignment in our GC, okay? And I will check that one. Okay?
Okay, yes.
Okay. All right. So, how's your day?
It's good.
Oh, yeah, it's really good. Okay, good to hear that. Me too, teacher is. Today I'm very happy um because I found my wallet. Okay. Today we are going to learn about Solutions Elementary Unit 2 School Days. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. Writing. So our focus today it's all about writing. Okay?
Mm,
Writing an announcement. I can write an announcement for a school event. Did you experience writing an announcement in your school? Did you
yes,
experience that one?
yes.
Are you joining journalism?
Mm,
No, you doesn't join or you doesn't encountered journalism in your entire life.
no.
Okay, so today we are going to learn that one. We are going to learn about writing an announcement in school event. Okay?
Okay.
All right, good to hear that. Okay, so today our lesson or the highlight of our lesson today, it's all about writing an announcement. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so this one. You are going to listen the audio first and then you are going to replicate the sound you've heard there. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you are going, when we say replicate, you are going to repeat it. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Okay, listen to the audio first.
Concert.
What is that?
Concert.
It's a concert.
Okay, again, concert.
Concert.
All right. Very good. Okay, what do you mean by concert?
Concert is a public performance of music.
Okay, so can you please read this one? Performance.
Performance.
Okay, a public performance of a music. Have you experienced watching one person They do concert in a public place. They do singing in front of a lots of people. Have you experienced that one?
Yes.
Ah, okay. In your place. Within your place.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think artists do that one. They do concert in a public place, and then they will earn a lot of monies because of the people.
Yeah.
Okay, they will sell the tickets, and then the people, the audience will buy the ticket, right?
Yeah.
Okay, did you get me, Sophia?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. And then this one next.
Musical.
What is that?
Musical.
It's musical.
Okay, can you read it again?
Musical.
Yes, very good. What do you mean by musical?
Musical is connected with music, containing music.
Okay, so musical connected with the music, containing music. Yes. Okay, do you have music in your phone? Do you have phone
So,
already?
yes.
Okay, do you have musics in your phone?
Mm,
Do you have music?
I the
Okay, that is a type of musical. When you heard
yeah.
some music, that is a type of musical, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay, because music is connected with musical, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. How about the third one?
Play.
Again,
Play.
what is that?
Play.
Okay, it's play. Okay, what do you mean by play? What is your perspective on this? What is your perspective about play? Have you experienced playing with your friends in school?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of game did you play together?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the meaning of play. Okay, can you read that one?
Play is a piece of writing performed by actors in a theater or on television or radio.
Okay, can you please read it again? Sophia. A piece
A
of writing.
piece of writing performed by actors in a theater or on television or radio.
Okay, so a piece of writing performed by actors. Okay, so the character here is the actors, right? The artist, right?
Yes.
Okay, the one who act by the theater or on the television or the radio, right?
Yes.
So they are going to write. They are going to write and performed by actors in a theater or on television or radio. Have you heard someone that act in television or in a radio? Have you heard or experienced or have you witnessed the actors act on television or a radio or in a theater? Have you witnessed them?
Yes.
All right, that is kind of play. They are going to play on the television, or in a radio, or in a theater, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How about this one?
School camp. School camp.
Mm,
School.
school camp.
Yes. Again. School.
School camp.
Yes. Very good. Okay. What do you mean by school camp? In your own perspective, what do you mean by school camp?
Mm,
Like what?
like
Okay, student.
student students go to a place away from school, often to do outdoor activities.
Yes, very good. When we say school camp, student go to a place away from school often to do outdoors activity. Like for example, scouting. Have you experienced that one?
Yeah.
Have you experienced scouting?
Yes.
Yes, scouting is also what? You are going to go to another school, right?
Yes.
And then you are going to do the different activities that involve in scouting, right?
Yes.
Okay, when we say school camp, the students will go to the other place or other school.
Yeah.
All right. How about this one?
Yeah.
Club.
Again.
Club.
Club.
Okay, it's club. Okay, what do you mean by club?
Club is uh club is an organizations for people who share an interest or do do a sport or activity together.
Okay, when we say club, it's all about or a kind of organizations, right?
Yes.
Okay, there is a lot of organizations. We have different organizations. When we say club, it talks about the organizations, right?
Yes.
Okay, for people who share an interest or do a sport or activity together. Okay, do you have club in your school? Do you have different clubs in your school?
No.
No, like math science club. Do you have that one?
No.
Filipino club, English club. You don't have
Mm,
that one?
no.
Oh, okay. In in my school, okay, in my um high school, in my past high school, we have different clubs. We have English club, we have math science club, we have Filipino club, um and whatsoever. We have a lot of organizations. Okay. Um Today you are going to learn about the club or the organizations, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. The last one will be Sports Day.
Yeah.
Okay, can you repeat it again? Sports Day.
Birthday.
Okay, what do you mean by Sports Day?
Sport day is a day we s- sport day is a special day at school when there are no classes and students complete in sport event.
Yes, when we say Sports Day, it talks about the sports event, and you doesn't have class that day because you are going to what? You are going to celebrate the sports day, right?
Yes.
Yes. Do you have sports day in your school? Do you have that one? Did you celebrate sports day in your school?
No.
What? Oh, why? You doesn't able to experience sports day in your school?
Yeah.
Okay, because for me, I've experienced that one in my school days, which is my high school days. I've experienced that one. So we don't have class in the entire whole day because we celebrate or we compete sports like volleyball, we have basketball, any kinds of sports, sipatakraw, like that, boxing. Yeah, it's really fun and enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is it is important that we experience this okay kind of activities in schools, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Have you understand our lesson today? Did you get some learnings about what we've tackled today? Hello, Sophia.
Day is
Okay, you are going to answer yes or no if you understand our lesson today. Did you understand our lesson today?
yes.
Yeah, very good. Good to hear that. All right, this one. So we have here the
Mm,
learn this
learn this
imperatives. Okay, what do you mean by imperatives? What do you mean by this? From the word
impair
empe. What do you mean by that?
imperative is
Yeah.
mean um about question.
Imperatives about, again, it's about
It's about question
expression.
is question.
Okay.
Question to ask something.
All right. Okay. Thank you for your explanation or your perspective. Okay. Imperative, I am going to write. Okay. Imperative, it means a command or instruction if it tells someone what to do. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
All right. So, imperative means a command or instruction.
Yes.
Okay, instruction. It tells someone what to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, someone instruction. Okay, means a command or
Instruction.
instruction. It tells someone what to
What to do?
okay, what to do. Okay, when we say imperative, it means again,
Yes.
what is what is imperative again?
As mm, imperative mean a com a
Command
comment
or
or
instruction.
instructions.
It
It
tells
tells
someone.
someone what to do.
Okay. For example, I am going to command you, Sophia. Please listen carefully. So, what you are going to do? If teacher tells you, Sophia, please listen carefully, what you are going to do, Sophia? You are
I'm
you are
uh uh
you will listen, right?
listen. Yeah, I yes.
Yes. If I'm going to command you, Sophia, don't run.
Yeah.
Okay, that is an example of command or instruction that
Yeah.
someone what? Someone commands you, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Sophia. Okay, this one. Okay, can you please read? We use.
We use imperative to give order and instructions, and to make requests. We form affirmative with the infinitive form of the verb without to.
Okay, so we use imperative. Okay, we use imperative to gives order and instructions, right?
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
to make request, we form affirmative. Okay, we already learned about affirmative. Okay, by the way, what is affirmative?
Affirmative is mean a positive
Positive.
and equivalent
Okay, positive statement. Okay, by
state
the yes, very good. How about verb? Is an action
action
word,
word.
right? Like for
Yes,
example, running, dancing, eating,
yeah,
right?
yes,
Okay, but we are going to use imperative and affirmative infinitive form of the verb without this word, right? We
yes,
are not going to include to if we're going to use imperative, affirmative with the infinitive form of the verb without this word to, right? Right?
yes, yes.
Okay, so like for example, can you please read this example here?
Yeah.
Okay, read, Sophia, please.
Uh,
Be
be,
quiet.
be quiet
Yes, that is an example
of imperative.
yes, imperative because someone is commanding about,
Oh, um,
okay,
interesting.
yes, to the person, someone is commanding you to be quiet, right?
Yes,
Okay, how about the second one? Right? Hello,
write,
Sophia, right?
write the answer in your notebook.
Okay, that is also an example of
In example of imperative,
yes, why is it imperatives again? Because the person,
because it's person, order.
okay, order or instruct the student, right? The teacher,
Yes,
yes, the teacher instruct or command the student to write the answer in your
in your
notebook.
notebook. Yeah.
Yes, how about the third one? Please.
Please sit down.
Yes, okay. Teacher will command you, Sophia, please sit down. Okay, that is an example of
Of imperative.
yes, because imperative is what command or
Is
instructions, right?
yes.
Yes, very good. Clap your hands, Sophia. You did a great job today. Okay, how about the letter B here? We form negative. Okay, it talks about negative
Yes.
imperatives. Okay, can you please read this one?
Uh, we form negative imperative with don't and the infinitive from the verb without to.
Okay, so we are going to talk about negative imperative. Okay, what do you mean by negative?
Negative is mean
Negative statements. From the word negative, it means negative. It means
Yeah.
like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, so with don't and the infinitive form of verb without to. Okay, so this lesson or this topic, negative imperative, you are going to see the sentence, um this word like this. Don't. If the sentence have don't, that is called negative
Yeah.
negative
Negative
imperatives.
imperative. Yeah.
So if in the sentence there is a word don't or negative statement, you are going to answer that one negative.
Yeah. Negative imperative.
Yes, like for example,
Don't be silly.
okay, don't be silly. Okay, what do you mean by that?
So not to do
Okay, is it negative imperatives or
is
imperatives?
a negative imperative.
Yes, very good. It's negative imperatives because of the word
The word is
don't.
negative.
Because of the word don't.
The word have done.
Yes. So if you're going to encounter or see the word don't, that is called a negative imperatives, right?
Yes.
Okay, how about the second example? Can you please read this one?
Please
Please
don't. Please
interrupt.
don't interrupt.
Okay. Is it negative imperatives or positive imperatives? It's
Is negative imperative.
yes, very good. It's negative imperative. Okay, why is it negative imperatives? Because of the word?
Because of the word has have done.
Yes, because of the word don't, right?
Yes.
Okay, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's proceed this one. Okay, C, can you please read?
Uh,
Sophia, please read.
we use imperative to give comments and instructions. We often use them in
Announcements.
announcements.
Okay, so we use imperatives. We are going to use imperatives to give commands and instructions. So we often use them in announcement. Okay, in announcement. Okay. So today is we are going to learn about writing an announcement in school, right?
Yes.
So today we are going to use imperatives to command and instruct to the people by often use them
Um,
in announcements. Okay?
okay.
Okay, like for example here, please read. Okay, reads.
Visit our website for more information.
Yes. Okay, so the sentence here is the sentence here announced that visit our website for more information. Is it affirmative?
Yes.
Is it imperatives or negative informatives? It's
It's
this
it's
one.
a negative. And
Are you sure
it's
this is negative?
no, it's a affirmative.
Imper, not affirmative. This is all about command. This is imperative.
Imperative.
Okay. Can you please read it again? Read, Sophia.
Don't forget your mom's birthday.
Okay, don't forget your mom's birthday. Okay, is it negative or imperative?
Negative.
Okay, why is it negative? Because of the
Because I have don't.
yes, because of the word don't. Okay, very good. All right, so let's proceed to the next one.
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to have a test one. Task one. Okay, can you please read for task one, Sophia?
As one match the photo with one of the even below, it is a good way to raise money. Do you think? Why not?
Okay, task one. Match the photo with one of the events below. Is it a good way to raise money? Do you think why or why not? So this is all about the what? Okay, we talked this one in our past what?
Uh,
Okay, what do you call this one? Okay, what do you
Mus-
think is in the picture? They are what? They are
we are.
okay, what can you see in the picture? I can see
I can see
that
many
yes.
people
Okay, many people who are
who are sing
yes, who are singing and that is called a musical,
musical.
right?
Yes,
Yes, okay. They are performing on the stage, right? Right,
rice,
Sophia?
rice.
Okay. So, in the question below, is it a good way to raise money, do you think? Is it a good way to raise money while singing or singing in front of many people? Is that in a good way to raise a money to those person who are singing in front of people? Is it good way to raise money, Sophia? Sophia, hello. You are mute, Sophia. Please unmute your mic. Okay. Is it good way to raise money, do you think?
Think is no,
Why? Why is it your answer is no?
because uh,
Because
because I think it's not a good way to raise money. It's,
okay, so in your opinion, this kind of performance is not again is not
it's not
what is
uh
what is your answer again? It's not
it's not it's not a good way
okay. This is not a good way to get
to
money from the audience, right? That
yes
is what you meant, right? Okay, so for me, Sophia, I am going to say yes to this one because they are what? They are performing. They do their best to perform well so that they can earn money. Okay, whatever your work is that, whatever job you have, if you love that one, that is not that is not wrong. Okay?
okay
Yes,
yes
the important is you what? You don't have a wrong intention. The important is you are doing what job you want, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So musical is not what? Is not in a bad way of getting money, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. It's because a lot of people who perform or who perform singing, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I think in the whole universe, singers, a lot of singers who what successfully because in that way they can earn more money.
Yes.
Okay, have you encountered singing in your class, in your school? Have you encountered that one? Have you encountered singing in your school?
No.
Okay, no. All right. So, shall we continue?
Yes.
Okay, why and why not? Your answer here is your opinion about this person is this is not a good way to earn money, right?
Yes.
Okay. S- Okay, why and why not? Why? Because
It's a wine.
okay, Sophia. This is all about the school events, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so in school, the school is um this is the training ground of all these students because the school aims that the student will will discover their skills. Like for example, the students cover their skills in singing, writing, skills in sports, like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, we've learned a lot in our schools. Okay,
Yeah.
all right, this one. Okay, we have the task two here. Okay, can you please read for task two?
Has to read and announcements match each with an event from text one. Then check the meaning of all events.
Okay, so you are going to match if it is concert, musical, play, school camp, school club,
Yes.
school trip, or sports day. Okay, you are
Yes.
going to connect that one. Okay, in the first picture, what what can you see in the first picture?
First picture is her picture is has
Okay, it's all about cats,
uh,
right? So
yes.
you can see here a cats, right?
Yes.
So I think, okay, can you please read the statement here? Come, okay, read. Come to our musical.
Come to our musical.
Yes.
Uh, for a Saturday, 12 July from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. in the
Mhm.
school hall.
Yes.
Please help us to raise
$1,000.
one $1,000 for new musical instruments for the school.
Okay.
With your help, come
Come.
and see us dance. Come and hear us sing. Fun for all the family. Please bring a friend.
Okay. So this one is an example of announcements, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, come to our musical. Saturday, 12 July from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. in the school hall. Please help us to raise $1,000 for new musical instruments for the school. We need your help. Come and see us dance. Come and hear us sing. Fun for all the family. Please bring a friend. Okay, the price of their tickets is only
It's only
$5, right?
yes,
Buy your ticket before 30 June and get a 50% discount, right?
yes,
Okay, so the student will perform and they need to raise $1,000 for
yeah,
musical instruments. So, if they will earn $1,000, they can buy the new musical instrument, right?
yes.
Okay, how about the second picture? Okay, can you please read Judo Club?
Mm, Sugar Club.
Okay, what do you mean by Judo Club?
Sugar Club
Okay,
mean
when we say Judo Club, Sophia, it means like if they like the artists who are fighting each other, right?
yes.
Yes, like for example, taekwondo. Okay, have you experienced taekwondo like this one? Have you experienced this one?
Yeah.
Have you
Yes.
experienced taekwondo in your school?
Yes.
Okay, good to hear that. All right, so this is a kind of what announcement, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you please read for this that statement here? Do
Okay.
you enjoy a challenge?
Do you enjoy a challenge? Then come to Judo Club. We meet every Wednesday after school in the school gymnasium from half half past 3 to 5 p.m.
Okay, can you please read it again? Gymnasium.
Gymnasium.
Yes, very good. So, okay, continue. It's a great way.
It's a great way to make new friends and to keep fit.
And
Are
to
you
keep
ne- and to
fit.
keep fit?
Okay. Are you new to martial arts?
Are you new to martial arts?
Don't
Don't
worry.
worry. We got a great judo teacher. Everyone is welcome, especially beginners.
Okay, so this is a judo club. So they are catering someone who wants to learn judo club, right?
Yes,
Okay, in that way, they will also earn money, right?
yes,
Yes. Okay, this is also an example of announcement. So, are you new to martial arts? Don't worry, we've got a great judo teacher. Everyone is welcome, especially beginners, right?
yes,
Okay. This is an example of announcement, and this is also an example of how you are going to earn money in a
yeah,
form of these situations, right? Like for example, musical. Okay, so the student or the person who perform musical, they will earn money, right? If you have
yes,
judo club, you will also earn money, right? This is also a kind of business, right?
yes.
Yes, very good. Have you understand our lesson today? Did you get my point here?
Yes,
Okay, very good. So this is musical and this is school club. All right. So I
yeah.
think it's almost time. Sophia, can we please We will continue this one in our next meeting, and I'm so happy that you've learned a lot today. But before we are going to out in this classroom, we are going to have first a review. Are you ready for our review?
Yes.
All right. So, what is our lesson today? We talk about
Lesson we talk about imperative,
yes, of course. First is writing
writing,
an
I
announcement, right?
yes.
Yes, very good, Sophia. Okay, and we talk also the
You talk so the uh
imperative,
im,
right?
yes,
Imperative.
imperative.
Okay. What do you mean by imperative? It means
This means
a
um
command.
a command.
Yes, a command or instruction, right?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, what are the two categories of imperative? We have
We have
neg
negative imperative
imperative and we have
and we have affirmative imperative.
yes.
Uh,
So can you give me some example about imperative? Like for
uh,
example,
imperative
yes.
is simple.
Like for example, can you please give me some example about imperative?
Don't sit here.
Okay, that is an example of negative imperative
Uh,
because of the word don't. Okay. Can you can you give me some example about negative imperative? We have okay, don't.
sit here.
Okay. Don't sit here. Okay. So that is an example of negative
This is
imperative, right?
yes.
Yes, because of the word.
Because of the word have, don't.
Okay, because of the word don't. That's why this is called about negative imperative. All right, very good. Okay, how about the imperative?
Affirmative
Yeah,
is
imperative. What do you can you please give me some example about imperative? Imperative means you're going to command or instruct something what to do, right?
yes.
Okay, like for example, okay, Sophia. Okay, teacher will say, Sophia, can you please listen carefully? Can you please listen carefully?
Have
Yes, okay. This is one example of
symbol of
imper.
imperative.
Yes, very good. This is an example of imperative because teacher is what?
Teach
Instruct Sophia to please listen carefully to the discussion,
yeah.
right?
Yes.
Okay, so much for today's class, Sophia. See you next time. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, God bless. Da man.